What's up, brother? Yeah, crazy move overnight. We can talk about that. We can talk about that for sure. What happened overnight? I don't know. They're probably gonna blame it on some news, but just a dump. Hunting liquidity. Um, anyone holding longs. Probably would have got destroyed. Anyone holding longs would have got destroyed for sure. Give me one sec here while I mark out my key levels. And then I'll talk about the overnight move and listen. I'm gonna straight up tell you guys right now. If I was trading a live account, I would not trade today. And there's a good chance we're not going to be taking the trade today in the morning session. You know, maybe the afternoon session, but not the morning session. Very shitty day to trade. Um, yep. Why no trace? Why no trade? The reason I don't like to trade after a large dump like move. Um, the reason I don't like to trade after a large move dump like this is like we've already. I don't want to try to predict where this candle is gonna close, right? I don't want to predict. It might come back and take this low and then close near here. It might come back all the way up. I don't know where it's going to close. It could just go sideways. You know, it's already put in that daily range. Now that we already have the expansion, right? So what am I exactly trading? I'm basically just trying to predict where the candle is going to close. And that's not my model. That's not my strategy. That's not what I'm looking to do. Reverse to where, bro? Reverse what? The entire daily move? It's possible, but are we closed? Closed and opened. Yeah, it's happened. It's happened before. A gap usually gets filled. Yeah, but I don't think it'll get filled today. I mean, it can, but like it just got, it's a break. Like this is forming as a breakaway gap. It's probably not gonna get filled right now. YNQ dump, just overnight move. I don't know. Let's see. Did they post any news or something? They're blaming it on China doing good or something. I don't know, bro. As China AI pushes, rattles big techs. Yeah, I don't know. They're not. They're just blaming it on some random thing. You know what I think though? Personally, I think that yeah, it's so bullshit, bro. I think this is like a fake move, dumping for earnings. We have a big earnings season coming up, right? We have big earnings coming up for a lot of stocks. Like Nvidia earnings is coming in 30 days. Like that's kind of a lot. But a lot of the other ones are coming soon. Like Microsoft in 2 days, Tesla in 2 days, Apple in 3 days, AMD in 8 days, Google in 8 days, Amazon in 10 days, Disney in 9 days. So in my opinion, I think this could be like a manipulation move, and then fucking earning comes and we just have a huge move up. You know? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like realistically, if I was on, now I'm on evals, so if I see a scalp opportunity, I'm gonna take it because it is what it is. I don't really care too much about losing on an eval. But if I was trading a live account or let's say a funded account, I wouldn't trade this. Why would I trade today? I would just come back the next day. I am in stocks, and you know what? You actually reminded me. I'm gonna be dollar cost averaging. I haven't used that word in a while, but I'm gonna buy some more stocks. I'm just gonna average down my entry. What is it? An evaluation account. Can I review them? I can review them after if you don't mind. 10 mil? 10 mil. I don't know what that is, bro. 10 mil. This? Ah, bro, fuck that is, bro. Nvidia costed NQ to drop? What did Nvidia do? Nah, man. See, just says they're just blaming it on DeepSeek AI. I don't know, bro. It's gonna go up. Like this has happened before. I don't think there's gonna be a big crash or anything. I mean, maybe. I'm not here to predict that. I'm personally gonna be buying more stocks. Bro, of course. No, I watched the football game. I actually did yesterday, bro. You know why though? You know why I watched the football game, bro? Because I have one of those crazy bets where I try to predict like the championship winners of like everything, and I predicted Ohio State to win the NCAA, and then my next one is Kansas City Chiefs to win, and it's like a $1 bet to make 11,000, bro. And my boy has like pretty much the same bet, like but to make 100K, bro. Like low key, I feel like it's gonna hit, bro. Oh, let's fucking go, bro. Yo, Chooch. Actually, no, I'll hit you up after, bro. Hey, yo, burger hit. I would take though. I hear, bro. If it hits for me, bro, that'd be lit. What's up, guys? Um, just buy the dip. Yeah, I'm not gonna put all my money into stocks. I'll still leave a little bit in case it goes lower, and I'll just keep dollar cost averaging. So, like I said, if I was on a live account, I'm gonna be real with all of you guys. If I was on a live account, I would not be trading today. So don't ask me for buys. We'll look for intraday objectives, daily buys. I don't know. We've already moved. It's already done. Okay. I'm not necessarily expecting this all to reverse. We're very, very displaced lower. I'd be surprised if we don't take out these relative equal lows. But we are inside of a daily BISI and discounts. We did hit the rejection block. We did take out the majority of the liquidity resting from this move higher. So we'll just have to see. This is one of those ones where I'm just gonna have to see. Like, it's just one of those. Like this could be low of day. This could be low of day. I don't know. This very well could be low of day. I don't see how anyone here could argue the fact that this may or may not be low of day. What's up, Mateus? So yeah, this is a liquidity void. Well, it acts like a liquidity void. It's not actually a liquidity void. I don't like when people say this is a liquidity void. It's not a true void of liquidity. This is a true void of liquidity. But like this, right, you would mark this out like this, and it basically just acts as like kind of one big ass fair value gap. The reason it's not a liquidity void is like for this example right here. It's just gonna, for example, it's an 8-hour fair value gap. So this is what it is. Yeah, we'll have SMT at the lows, but Let's just say we don't even have to take those lows. This is one of those days where I would not try and predict. This could be your low, man. This look, we touched the daily Bissy. Who's to say we don't expand an insane amount higher now, right? Maybe we just go to premium and then dump again. We have no clear objectives besides this gap, grand scheme of things. We'll eventually come back there, but so me personally, if I was on a live account, if I was on a live account or a funded account, I would not take any trades today. That's just me personally. I wouldn't. But I'm on evals, so we might look for a scalp or something. Or just be here. My favorite food? Bro, my girl makes this chicken. She makes this chicken. It's fucking fire, bro. Like this breaded chicken. That shit is so good, bro. What was I gonna look at? Made 2K on EU longs. Nice, bro. Nice. Keep it up. Bro's making us hungry. Alright. Why are you fading high? Bro, stop spamming my chat on weird ass shit, bro. I don't know. I think I'm gonna take about to high, but on highs and then just dump. Possible. Yeah, London highs there. I mean, in terms of looking for a scalp, man. I wouldn't look for daily bias today. No one asked for any bias, bro. We have to go. No, we do not have to do anything. In fact, we could literally sit inside equilibrium or do something like this for the entire day, maybe even perhaps. Okay, let me give you guys a reference, bro. I want to give you guys this reference. Imagine you traded this. Imagine you took a short overnight or something, and you held that shit and you caught 1,000 points. Are you really gonna trade again? Are you really gonna be like, alright, let's buy it back and dump it one more time? No, bro, you're done. The interest is done, bro. You're done. You're not gonna. You just fucking short 1,000 points, bro. You're not. The interest is done. You know. Just think about it like that. The only reason everyone here looking like, oh shit, is because you were not a participant in the move. But in reality, if you believe in market makers or whatever the algorithm, however this move may have occurred, it was very eventful overnight. Any participants were probably very happy in that short, and that's probably the majority of the interest for the day, you know? Usually, morning session is gonna suck if you see something like this, especially if it's Asia and London and pre-market. So, morning session is probably gonna suck. Lunch might be better. PM session might be better. What made it go down? I don't know. In my opinion, it's just fucking manipulation, bro. But they're saying it's some like AI shit from China. I don't know, bro. Like some random shit. Just making excuses. I swear to God, bro. You never know, and you never try. Let me be. What's up, M guy? I would just wait here and see. But like I said, I'm on evals. I don't mind looking for a scalp on my eval account. But exactly, bro. 1,000 point trade. Just let it rest. You know. Are you trading today? Only because I'm on evals. I might take a scalp. But listen, morning session is. I probably won't find a trade. Morning session is gonna suck, in my opinion. It's probably gonna suck real bad. Probably no setups will form choppy. The food is smacking. Obviously, DOL is shorts. You don't think this 1,000-point move down was enough? You think we're gonna get what? 1,200? What you're moving on? Yeah, it doesn't have to be today. Eventually, it'll go up there probably. Right now, my immediate attention goes to these equal lows. You know, if I had to choose, this is a correction, bro. This is a 1,200 point drop. What do you mean correction, bro? We corrected what? Hell no, though. Correction. What even is a correction? What even is a correction? Define, bro. Define a correction, bro. You would just be making shit up, bro. What the hell is a correction, bro? My immediate attention goes to these equal lows, but like I said, I'm not trading today with daily buys because we also hit the daily BISI. So like I said, this could be, in my opinion, this could be low of week. I think it's possible. You know, I like these equal lows. I'd be surprised if we didn't take these equal lows though. But we'll just have to wait and see. We'll just have to wait and see. So 1 minute it'll open. Let me open up my stock account. Make sure I can purchase some NVIDIA AMD. You know, surprising enough, I'm actually up on my Apple position, which I think is funny. We're really down on NVIDIA, so I'll probably buy like, let's call it 7 shares in NVIDIA. How much is 7 shares gonna cost? I have a decent amount to average out my positions here. Oh shit, I'm gonna miss it, bro. Please don't gap up more than you already did. Please don't gap up. Give me a second here. Let's just trade lower right now. How about 10? Let's do 6 shares. Let's do 6 shares. I'll do 4 shares AMD. You know, let's do 5. Let's do 5 shares. Okay, I got filled. So our average fill now. Our average fill, yeah, not even do that good. 132. I guess that's not bad. We'll probably look to average down more. We'll see if this can get to like. Oh, I'm tripping, bro. I was looking at that price action like we're over there. Well, I'm gonna get 5. I'm gonna get 5 more in the video. Actually, I got 6, right? So I'll get 4 more. Get 4 more here. We're done. We'll leave it at that. Wait, I put a limit order, bro. Am I stupid? Sorry, guys. 1 sec. I accidentally placed limit orders. I don't really care about waiting for a limit price. Just give me 1 sec, guys. Make sure I get them filled. Oh, I got filled on that one. Bro, what the fuck's going on here? Remind me though. One sec, guys. Okay, so I have 9. Okay, let's buy 6. Okay. Buy 6 at market. Okay, now we're holding. Now we're holding a decent amount, and we could still dollar cost down if for some reason it does go lower significantly. Yeah. Cool. All right. Market open. Bro, what are you doing? Yeah, man, I fucked up, bro. I forgot to click buy. It's on me, bro. It's on me. Should have clicked buy right at 9:30. My bad, guys. Super obvious. Super obvious. I was joking. I was joking. What broker do I use? I use Interactive Brokers. They have pretty much, I think they have the cheapest commission. So, um, we did touch premium for the daily range. Your bias? No bias today, bro. What was this overnight drop? It seemed like they're blaming it on China AI or some shit. It's BS in my opinion. Pretty BS in my opinion. So 15 shares Nvidia, 15 shares AMD. I don't really give a shit about Disney and Apple. Apple's actually doing good, man. I don't know how. Thinking open would be dead. It's probably gonna be dead, bro. Don't think we'll get an entry. Bias defo long. What's the bias? Bias. I'm not. I don't have no bias, guys. Sideways. My bias is sideways. I've been testing out a new strategy. Nice, bro. Sure, we can go for that today. Would be a good day, I guess. I mean, actually, it would not be a good day unless your strategy has to do with something of overnight significant move. I don't see how it's gonna be consistent. It'll probably be dead this morning. Oh shit! I just realized I never made this now. Yeah, I mean, we touched a premium array, but doesn't mean much. Yeah, it's looking like it's forming a breakaway gap, but hopefully we can eventually. I mean, eventually it will come up. You know, I don't think that gap's can just stay there forever. Um, but with that being said, like, when are we gonna get there? I don't know. We can sit here and watch the 1 minute. I mean, we have a first presentation here. It's really not that clean. Like, there's really no clean way for you to be trading this. But we'll see. I'll see here. I'll see if we can navigate. If we can call price. Anything jumps to my eye. We're forming a 4 hour. We have a 4 hour right here. I guess we can mark out that 4 hour. London highs makes a 4 hour fair value gap. So, what's your expectations for today's price? Unpredictable, uneventful, lack of clarity. That's what I think, bro. I have this 4 hour level marked because it seems like we're retracing into a premium. That'd be your first premium array if you're using like the daily range or your 4 hour, call it 4 hour dealing range. What days of the week? I don't mind every day. Wednesday will be an afternoon trade if I take the trade. Will not be a morning trade. I mean, yeah, this could be low of week, man, but like, is there ever a world where this is just really longable all the way back up? I feel like that's crazy work. That's crazy work. But like along like this, how do you even like justify something like that, man? It's crazy work. Why do I don't think it's low of week, but I think it's possible it can be low of week, depending how much we expand higher. Like we have an obvious drawn liquidity, right? This big fat gap and these equal highs, to me, pretty obvious drawn liquidity. But we just expanded 1,000 points down, you know? On NQ and ES, we did touch the daily bullish fair value gap high. So this bullish fair value gap, we did touch the high of it. So that's why I said it could be low of week. Could be a simple internal to external range move. Nasdaq's volatility just ended up becoming 1,000 points down, and then we run up those equal highs. Is that gonna happen today? Probably not. I'd be very surprised if we come back into the new week opening gap today. I'd be very surprised. Possible, but I'd be very surprised personally. Either way, there's just how any model is gonna form here. Could be a protraction model, long, targeting London high maybe, but this is Asia session. This is London session. No buys for today, guys. No buys. I wouldn't bother. Appreciate you, Simp. Nah, you're good, bro. Yo, if you're a model form, guys, don't let me stop you, you know? 75 shares, bro. Who are you? 75 is crazy, bro. Did the market pump when you bought? Did you see it visually? Hold on, I'm on my list, bro. Pretty uneventful, yeah. But I mean, we'll still be here. I don't feel gaps between bars. What does that mean? Not even a setting? No, it should leave the gaps open for me. So I can see them. Yeah, Sim, I'm proud of you, bro. Listen, if you followed your rules, I'm proud of you. No matter what result happened, if you followed your rules today, whether you traded, didn't trade, blew your account, as long as you followed your rules today, me personally, just know, Gaddy's proud. All right. Okay, so we woke up today. The market dumped around 1,000 points. That's a pretty significant dump, especially for me, because I trade the 930 PO3 or the daily PO3. If we already expanded 1,000 points, that's pretty much the entire range for the daily candle, right? We might make a little slightly lower low, very small chance, but we could come back all the way up here and fill this gap, for example. But for me, that's pretty uneventful. The morning session is probably going to suck, which is why I'm not really looking to take a trade today. But like I said, I did take this opportunity of lower prices and discount pricing to dollar cost average some stocks. So my personal favorites, Nvidia, AMD. I also owned Apple and Disney previously, which I did not dollar cost average today because the discount move was not as significant. For example, um, Nvidia dropped over around 17 or $20 or something. So I definitely took that opportunity to buy more Nvidia, and I'll probably buy even more if we do get a chance. So that's basically my plan for today. Basically my plan for everyone asking. No, no. Would I take an entry if no, probably not. I just bought stocks. You very diversified investing wise? No, I just kind of buy the top hitters from the Nasdaq. I have a pretty specific criteria. I just try to trade like a higher time frame PO3 and scale in my positions. Right now I think we can reach this box. I think we can reach this red box. So I'm just gonna watch, see what happens. You eat bacon? Nah, do not eat bacon. Are you an ICT's Telegram? Yeah. Yeah, sometimes AJS, JS, Dan, SBS, HSHD. Yeah, sometimes. I'll put some money in there. But we got our 15 minutes changing the state. I think we can reach this 4 hour premium because if we're going to reverse, we're going to seek premium anyways. And if we're going to continue lower, we'd probably seek that premium anyways. So I think it's a good objective. The only way I'd ever get filled on this. Yeah, he said lost up. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna let that change my trading though. Um, I'd rather still do it on my own and just maybe go back after the fact and study sometimes, but I don't want to be there listening to IPT's Telegram. It's gonna influence my trading. I'm just his Telegram. You can find it on his YouTube channel community section if you want to join his Telegram. But like I said, yeah, I'm not really interested. I don't want to stay too followed with that. To be a protected low, man. In a day like this. I got GatieTrades. I mean, listen, ICT pretty much taught me everything. He helped me form my models. Ever tested the unicorn? Yeah, I mean, it's just one of those things where you kind of just see it when you back test. Are you profitable yet? Some months, not every month, not consistent enough yet. I don't think I've reached my full potential. Well, definitely not reached my full potential. But when you copying an F80, next payout, next payout. You bought his course. Whose course? I've watched every single ICT video, brother. Yeah, most of them multiple times. I have not watched the Telegram yet. No. Um, I will not be watching his Telegram. I'll be watching it after streams, not before. What's your plan for today? The only way I can see myself taking a trade is if we get retracement inside the macro, and then an inversion, and I can target this 4-hour gap. That's kind of my only clear idea right now. Appreciate you, Emma. AMA. Appreciate you, bro. I don't really use any indicators, guys. The only indicators I use are this blue box and red box. It marks out Asia session, London session. The second indicator is the thing here that says GatieTrades, just to remind me time and price. I feel like it looks cool. And it kind of just reminds me that possible, remind me to stay focused and stuff. I'm looking at this 10-minute fair value gap forming. Like I said, if we get a retracement inside the macro, we can target that premium array. Nope, I don't use any volume indicators. M10. I like the BISI on the M10. It's just the most clear to me. We're about to get an S&T there. Forgive your past and simply leave now. 15-minute OB? Yeah, we could go all the way down there. I would prefer it, actually, if we get a touch of that OB. It overlaps with this fair value gap nicely, so. Okay. We shall see. The name of the indicator is ICT kill zones and pivots, and then square bracket TFO. I'm looking for this right now. This would probably be the only trade I can see myself taking if it forms. Yeah, best case scenario, we come into discount here. They have full port longs on Funded Express. I mean, I wouldn't, but you can do whichever you want to do, bro. I broke my rules though. That's not good, bro. Why not? Because full porting is gambling. I want to take trading serious. Treat it like a job almost. I don't want to gamble. I broke my rules though. Why'd you break rules, bro? Why? We might not even get a retracement. I did long the first presentation. He knew this was going to be a breakaway. Good for him. Some good shit. Look, Middle Eastern and Middle Eastern. You honestly, Simp, I don't even remember what happened, bro. Full porting isn't gambling? Yeah, it is, bro. Good for him. No, like that was dead ass. Like, Me personally, I would not be able to identify this as a breakaway. I mean, I guess when you see this big, fat, large expansion, but part of me also thinks that like it's possible just to like, you know. So I'm assuming if ITT took that long, he probably did something like this. I don't know where. I don't know where he would have put a stop. I don't know where he. The only thing that makes sense is seeing this as a breakaway gap. Maybe his stop was like a 50% closure of this. Maybe he took the fair value gap after first presentation. Assuming this is your like a low. Even then, I don't know where he. I don't know where he took that trade. Would it be a trade I take personally? Where was your stop, Sarvan? I don't know how you. I mean, obviously, depending on the risk reward you're trying to average, but if you took first presentation, I mean, best bet is 1.1 R, which is if what you're aiming for, and that's okay. That's okay. Essentially, was 240. Yeah, so you enter on the first presentation, straight up. Yeah, that's true, Marianne. That's true. That is true. If you did catch it, I think it was a 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, you can use the 15-minute here, like as us coming down there. That's hard though. That's really hard in my opinion to catch that. To be that confident it's gonna move higher. This is Nasdaq and ES on the right. Let's see. I don't think we might not get any retracement here, which kind of just sucks. Price action is goaded. Price action is definitely not goaded right now, bro. You got long off the first presentation, 50%. A good fill. So way better fill than taking the high. Could actually significant. Yeah, I guess you could have done it like this. Where was your stop? Even if you put your stop here, how the hell did you get 4R, bro? Unless you just like literally saw this wick and then you entered. I don't know, bro. I don't know where you stopped, bro. That ain't for me, bro. Can you make your chart black? No. Sorry. You can't. Like if you mean in general, like yeah, someone can. I don't want to make mine black. Yo, you guys don't have to tell me what ICT is doing. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait for the fair value gap to get touched. Which brokerage account? For stocks, I use Interactive Brokers. Besides that, I use prop firms. What's up, Abdul? Gonna wait for this 10-minute fair value gap or the 15. The 5, yeah, 5, 10, 15, all the same. ICT's not live. He's posting in his Telegram. Probably. I'm guessing. I don't know. The ICT Telegram link, go to his YouTube channel. Go to his YouTube channel and then click the community tab. He just recently posted. So, community tab, you'll see he posted this. And he's been spamming that Telegram group. Basically just calling price. I'm assuming that's what he did with Twitter Spaces before. How old is ICT? I think he's 50 or something. 52 or some shit. Can you fix PA? Nah, today's dead, bro. You expand that much lower, like it's pretty much dead. You from Toronto? Yeah. ICT is Unk. Yeah, he is Unk. Any trades? No trades today. No trades today thus far. But like I said, if we do get the retracement here, I don't mind longing to this gap. Oh, Sarban took that gap. That's not bad, bro. Best shawarma spot in Toronto. I haven't tried some mock. I heard it's really good though. Yeah, I can review them, but yeah, I'll do it in a bit. Yeah, exactly. If nothing happens in the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, if we reach this low, I mean, would I ever short that 4 hour? Not easy, man. It's not easy. Realistically, if I'm telling you right now, if I was on a live account, I wouldn't even trade. Scalp on the eval though. We'll see. Are you bearish for today? No, no clear buys. You got family in Windsor? I'm from Toronto, like Toronto area. Should I wait for reaction of a gap or right when it touches it? It depends if you trust it or not. If you trust it, just go for the gap because sometimes what'll happen, you'll see a very explosive movement. It'll just boop and then go. It'll happen. It happens more than you think when you have a good gap, good narrative. Are you profitable? Some months, not consistent. If nothing happens next, yeah, that's what I was thinking too. That's what I was thinking too. How you feel about Trudeau? Fuck Trudeau, man. Have my stop on the low. The FG got stopped out. This? Your stop can't. This isn't the low of the fair value gap. This is the low of the fair value gap. So if you were to take this trade, yeah, your stop can't be here, brother. Or especially not there. Especially not there. It's allowed to wick through here, you know? Your stop needs to cover any potential wicks through. So you have to give it enough room so that if it does wick, right, you're just looking at the close. Look how it closed above 50% there. It's a very good sign, you know? Very good sign. Yo, you guys don't have to keep telling me what ICT did. Can you see your fib settings for which one? For this one? I have a bunch of fibs. This is my 50% fib. I did not take any trades. It's just 1, 0, 0.5, 2 zeros. A simple fib. Red 0.5. It's just simple 50%. Okay, we have a 15-minute fair value gap now below us. I'll mark that out. I wouldn't mind longs from there, targeting the 4-hour imbalance or London high, same level. But needs to come here. ICT soup to the high time frame. Yo, listen, guys, how many times you guys gonna keep telling me what ICT did, bro? I'll probably listen to the Telegram after. I don't think I'll be trading today. Me too. I don't think this is gonna form, but we'll see. We'll give it a chance. If I get something like this, the best thing that can happen is this. This happens. I'm gonna take a long there. Yeah, I'm not even gonna complain. Yeah, you already expected it. We're planning too much to London. Exactly, bro. Yeah, exactly. Very much so, brother. What's up, Andrew? Yeah, just stay here. Just be disciplined. Don't force anything. Wait for your model. The only model I can form here is a potential protraction. If you do get down here. Why did that happen during London? People are saying some shit happened in China where, like, they're just blaming it on like AI in China taking over or something. I think it's BS. But that's just me. Looking at the stock positions here. AMD went even lower. Interesting. You bought my first eval today and hop on the charts to TS Turtle Soup. The Sinan, I don't know, that long was good. Caught it. Nice, bro. The entry you was hoping for is your entry, unicorn entry. The entry you were hoping for. That's just the best model. Yeah, if we do get unicorn, this guy's so handsome. I had to leave YouTube to come to TikTok to get a closer. JP, bro. Yeah, I think it's manipulation too. We think. I personally think. Now I don't know this shit like amazingly, but I personally think that this is all manipulation for earnings week. You know. We have a big earnings week, like even like month coming up. So where are you from, bro? Uh, Canada, Ontario, Toronto. You bought 20 more shares. Yeah, I bought some more shares today too. I bought some more shares too. When you dollar cost average, you still use ICT. On stocks, is this top step chart? No, this is the NQH 2025. IC2 swoop below, get better. I mean, better than who? Honestly, get better than myself. That's the goal. But let's go see. Let's go see what ICT did here. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. He didn't enter on the first presentation. Like I see he entered after it left and put the stop. Yeah, it's pretty good entry. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hello, Torontoni. What's up, brother? ICT was not. Your house burnt down. Damn. That shit was not A plus yet. You need to be very very like no, the way ICT traded it was as soon as this candle expanded is what it looks like. He entered it on this candle, and that way he can put his stop here, right? Or let's say he put it here, and entering on this candle, leaving first presentation. Like you can get pretty good risk to reward with that. But I don't know. Like this is not one of my entry models. You know, I would never take that trade. Okay, looks like we might get a retracement to the 15 here. Difference from NQH 2025 NQ1. NQ1 is a continuing contract, so it'll always be there. It's just going to keep auto adjusting to the contract changes. The NQH 2025 is the expiration. It's the one that you're actually trading that month. Like it's the month, the March delivery contract. So yeah, ICT probably has some models that I could not explain. Yeah, I agree with you, bro. The thing with ICT is I totally agree with this. If ICT lost that trade, he just wouldn't have posted it. You know, I bet you he loses all the time. He just never posts it, which I don't like. I wouldn't judge him if he lost. You know, I watched him lose, and I haven't judged him. But when someone doesn't post losses and they only post their wins, they make it. They really give that scene that like, oh, I'm the fucking best. Like, no, you're not. You lost. You only posted because you won. You know. I personally think he loses and just doesn't post. Yep, right here. Exactly. I want to see like, oh, you mean like this? So like Gattie's a goat, 100% transparent. Trust me, bro. Listen, one day, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys straight up. One day, when I'm super up and I start winning consistently, like I'll have multiple winning months in a row again, and maybe hopefully consistent payouts, live account stuff. You guys will be able to look back and be like, damn, bro, this guy used to go on losing streaks, and now he's doing it. So anyone can do it. uh, we're talking about ICT, Marianne. Like I can just tell by the way he trades that like I don't know. I'm obviously I may be wrong. Like I don't know for sure. Maybe he just doesn't lose as much as I think. Maybe he doesn't lose. I don't know. But I know he loses. I mean, he's admitted to losing, but he doesn't post it. He doesn't have to post it, right? But like for example, ICT took a trade today, and it makes sense. Totally valid. Yeah, Michael. Totally valid trade. Like I can understand why. I wouldn't take it, but I understand why. But in my opinion, like if he lost that trade, I bet you he's lost a similar trade before, just hasn't posted it. And I don't like that. In my opinion, I feel like you should really show transparency that you know what, this doesn't work sometimes. He's posting his trades in his Telegram. You know. Everyone has losing streaks. Yeah, for sure. Everyone loses. Everyone loses. Okay, we're inside the 50-minute fair value gap on ES. The SMT is at this low. Hopefully we can just get there. ICT is terrible. Okay, that's a little bit out of stretch in my opinion, but he did show losses. You're 100% right. You're 100% right. He did 100% show losses in mentorships. He showed many losses, many wins. Checklist for my strategy. For this protraction model, what I'm looking for is I was gonna say this inversion. If we get this inversion, I might long it. We don't have to touch the 15. Trade like this. A trade like this would fit my criteria. Bro, chill, bro. Bro, now it's a 1.5 R. That shit was like, I can't take this anymore. The risk rewards are so bad. Maybe we'll get a bullish for value gap here and then I can long that. We just have to wait. Why long for no BSL to target? London high is my target. Also 4-hour bearish for value gap. This high is also a 4-hour bearish value. So I think we have a very good chance of taking out this high at least. Very good chance of taking out that high at least. I want to see the sell side get taken, though, if I'm being honest. I still want to see it touch the 15, ideally. So say we get something like this, and then an inversion. That would be like, I'm not going to say A+, because anything today can be A+, but it's valid. 10 EM PO3, it's one of my models. We were expecting the 50% of the 1 hour should be. Sure. Use ChatGPT. We already have an SMT within the imbalance. We have an SMT like this. You mean unless it forms inside? Maybe. Yep, it's one of my models. One of my protraction models. I'll look for 10 AM PO3. I'm just aiming for London high. I wouldn't aim for any higher. The 4-hour fair value gap above London high. Which is London high, same level. The bottom of that red box. I just need to see it just get a little bit lower here. To be fair, Michael said prior 9 AM that I'd like to see the SIBI to be taken before. Which SIBI? The 4-hour? Taken before getting short? Taken before that happened, fetching consolidating zone he marked. Yeah, I'll have to just watch the telegram after. I don't know. I don't know about all that. I don't know, avoiding going to 30-second. If we can't come down at least into the 5-minute, man, we gotta just take off this sell side. View this as accumulation and then dump and inverse. If we just take out the highs now, pretty much done for me. Both blue. Yeah, it's not printing too clean. Starting to consolidate. We're outside the macro. It would still align with 10 AM PO3 though. I really don't want to see us take out those highs. I really would not want to see that take out these highs. I would much prefer we go lower first before taking out those highs. PM session models. Yeah, just look for a PM reversal or continuation from AM. Is it outside macro? Would you still take it? Yeah, I'll take it. But if we take out those highs, I'm done. The idea is killed. In my opinion, if we take out these highs, he wants to see the hourly SIBI. No, I mean, I think we can get to the 4-hour. We have another 4-hour right there. So I'd be really surprised if we don't. I mean, we have an SMT at those highs now, actually. I can see that. S&T there, but why did I mark out 10 a.m. candle? Because I'm looking for a potential PO3 that's like this. And if it wants to reverse after, that's okay. But I still think we can get this leg. So whether it's a manipulation leg or a distribution for higher, doesn't matter to me. I'm trying to trade this leg. But that's why I say if we move up, if we start to move up higher right away, I'm a little bit iffy about taking that move now, you know? And it'll probably kill my idea. So that's it. 2022 buy model. There's no buy model here. Not 2022 at least. Vintage shorts. Good luck. Good luck, brother. I think these relative equal lows are possible. If ES can take out this low and we get an SMT like this, ooh, that'd be great. Are you bearing or bulling or bullish for this week? I'll have to see how today closes. So we also have FOMC this week, so that can be a large move. Can be a very large move. We have FOMC with earnings like Microsoft and stuff. Buys for today? No buys, bro. That's it. The move's done. 30 sell side got taken. I don't see where we took 830 sell side. This? Yeah, I guess you can use that if you want. I did not take a trade yet. I'm looking for this right now. If we do this before we take out these highs, I can go for a long one of my models. But if we do not manipulate into this level and expand with a breaker or an order block or an inversion or something, then it'll be a no trade for me. And if we take out these highs first, then also no trade for me. It's like my last idea here. I've had this strong liquidity for a while. Yeah, I think we could go higher. NQ can at least also touch the 4-hour CB in my opinion. But if we take out the high here, then idea is dead for me. Have not taken a trade yet. Are you bullish or bearish for the week? No idea, bro. I think a weekly candle can trade higher if that helps, but it's hard to say where we're gonna close now or how much higher. I need to see how today goes. Just take it day by day. No, I'm not taking any trades. I have one trade idea potentially forming now. And if it doesn't form, the timing of this trade is a little bit off. Same mindset, same. It's an indicator GRDT. It's called AGFX watermark. I don't want in my heart. Blacked out the move. Wait for you to come around. Dancing in the dark. Take that low. I want to see that low get taken. Nope, look at your dealing range. I would use this range. We just quite haven't entered premium with a 4-hour. I wouldn't use the daily range in this case. Oops. Because I think we can trade here. It's possible. Eventually. We'll see. Are all mods that nope, it's anywhere from the 1 minute to 5 minute. There's no time frame restriction. Okay. We're gonna get the S&T now. We'll see if it delivers higher, you know? We should find out within the next couple of minutes whether or not this is gonna deliver higher. There's no clean imbalance that can potentially act as an inversion, so we'll just wait a bit and see. Backtesting platform? I use TradeZella. You want to trade in all of January? I had a pretty bad month in January, bro, too. Same. I only won like twice, I think, and only one of them was like an actual win. Yeah, 2 minute can be nice. Just has to form. Waiting for you to come around. Just gotta wait. Nah, TradeZella is not free, unfortunately. What's your strategy? ITT? ITT is not a strategy, bro. It's just a person. Ah, man, if we take out this low, it's, you know, I would be done. I don't honestly, that's empty hold. I mean, we'll give it a chance because we formed the imbalance. We can still go up in inverse, but yes, I did dollar cost average AMD in the video today. Get a payout in December, then January I lose one of my 50K. That's okay, bro. You can get it back. Not a big deal. Maybe you call me, it's a dog side. I think you're fine, Kevin. I wouldn't overthink it, bro. As long as you follow your rules. You think market could come down more? Yep, think it's possible. I think it's possible we take low of day. I also think it's possible we trade higher. I also think it's possible we go sideways, you know. That's why I don't have a daily bias. That's why I'm pretty much this is my only idea that I'll be looking for. 2 minute on ES is kind of clean. I'm a full port when you enter. I wouldn't do that, bro. Looking at something like this, if it forms the inversion, I guess your 2 minutes probably best. ES might give a clean inversion here. So we'll see. This will be a 145 times 2 micros. 2 or 3, doesn't matter. I would just look at the 2 because it's a little bit higher. So in case we like don't inverse the 2, we might continue down. Yeah, I agree, it's possible. But if we inverse this fair value gap, I'm willing to put risk on. You know, it just depends if we inverse or not. If we don't inverse, I'm not gonna take the trade. Looks like we're not inversing. Yeah, looks like potentially no trade. Maybe we can still get a breaker. So I'll give it one more chance. So if we get something like this, I can go long off that. That'll be like the last idea, pretty much. Give a 3 minute chance to close here. Yeah, we can still get a breaker. You like the 5 minute? Oh, we haven't formed the 5 minute yet. I'm in the trade. Good luck, bro. Yeah, I think the 3 minute looks pretty good here. We'll just have to wait for the 3 minute. Should be a 36-point stop loss. Let's just call it. Keep in mind, guys, I'm going to be executing on Top Step X. So please don't go too crazy, bro. Bro, stop. Why does it have to expand so aggressively, man? Yeah, I'll be trading off the micro. Bro, that's so lame, bro. On G, it's lame, bro. I wanted to break even after we take these highs. Because it's a 4-hour imbalance. Yeah. Might just have to take this fair value gap. Oh, if we take that high, it's done. I don't think we can get an entry here. 2 micro trade. All right, so we're gonna look for this trade idea. We basically tapped into a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I'm expecting London highs here, which is a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So I think we can definitely move higher, more into premium. We also have the SMT at this level, so hopefully we can get a fill here and see if we can expand. It's around 2.48 R. So let's see. Target is London highs. If we take out the highs here, so if we take out these highs, I'm gonna look to just cancel the limit order. I don't want to be in that trade if we take out the highs. No trades yet, but I'm looking for this. You got on the 2-minute inversion. Yeah, you could have taken the 2-minute inversion. A little too deep, too far for me. Looks like we might take out the highs before we get the fill, so I'm going to probably cancel this limit order. Yep, it did remove. Yeah, I did return to the 1 minute CISD. You are right. You are right about that. Probably cancel the limit here, and then if we do come back, look for a 15-second inversion or something. Yeah, there it is. All right, so we pretty much hit that first level. I'm gonna look to cancel the trade. This is my final objective. It's the objective we called out earlier in stream, but we'll see if we get there or not. Looks like I'll not be a participant today, so canceling all the limits, and we'll just see. We'll just have to sit here and watch. So going back in hindsight here, we could have taken an entry off the order block right here instead of waiting for the fair value gap, which was right here. So in hindsight, we could have entered off the order block and we would have gotten a fill, a perfect fill there. I had my entry at the fair value gap. We did not get a fill. We missed it by about like a point or two. Yeah, about 2 points. So I can't take the trade now that we already took out the minor buy side. But my final objective is blue line. So we'll see. Yeah, I'd be break even as well too. So I'm not gonna take it. Stuff like this just makes you want to full port. No, it happens, bro. No, I didn't get in. I didn't get filled. I did not get filled on this trade, guys. I tried. ICT took the. Oh, you entered off the CSD. Nice, nice, Toffee. Yeah, you could look for shorts 1050. Could be a lunch reversal, but I wouldn't. Yeah, I'm gonna be done after this. It's just frustrating enough. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Go enjoy my day. I would be break even. Yep. If you guys don't want to say anything, but if you were looking for this trade, yeah, I would have for sure. I'd for sure be break even by now. In fact, I would even be. I'll probably have my stop right around here. Should not really hit that level before taking the buy side. You win this? No, I didn't get filled, unfortunately. Did not get the fill. Yep, you already hit 2R, so you definitely should be, looking to. I mean, depending where your stop loss was, realistically, you put your stop loss here, and then hit 2.1. This final objective over here. Right out the move, telling me to come around. Yeah, I don't really want to chase this, guys. Nah, I really don't want to chase this. Just let it go. It is what it is. We didn't get the fill. It really is what it is, It is what it is. It is what it is. We called it out, man. We were waiting for this for a while. In hindsight, you could have taken this, but the stop here, stop here is actually pretty good, by the way, because of the fair value gap inverse. I think for the CI too, I'm new to know. I'm too new to know what that is. Yeah, I mean, I see the CISD. I'm honestly pretty surprised we didn't touch that one more time, and I guess this is really bullish, I guess. It is what it is, but what even is? What if I don't like the way it is? You don't have to like it, bro. You just have to accept it. Literally opening gap. First things first, the gap is the same thing on any the gap is the same thing on any time frame. That's first. So that doesn't matter. No, I'm not coming. I'm not buying, guys. That's it. I already missed it. I probably would have taken partials already, so there's really no point. No, not in the trade, guys. We didn't get the fill. Oh, coin that viral thing. Nah, I'm not really interested in any retracement personally. I'm not interested in any retracement. Just let this one go. We know it's probably gonna hit London highs and blew a funded at 4% drawdown. Sorry about that, man. But good thing you can just get another one, right? Hopefully. So one of those days, yeah. We'll watch it hit the blue line, and we'll see. We just have to wait and see if it, if it goes there. Also keep in mind if yes hits that blue line, that would be a TP for us. So that would be right here. Yeah, it looks like NQ will get there first. Nice 3.6 hour trade if you had a good stop loss. I'm fine with this running. The video might run with it too. Yeah, it works for me, bro. I bought some more today too. So where's the SMT? SMT is right there. That stop loss covers the 1 minute inversion and the 1 minute that stop loss covers the 1 minute inversion and the 1 minute fair value gap. So that's just where my rules tell me to put my stop loss. I'll just mark this up here. My entry would have been the inversion. Standard deviations? I love standard deviations. I look for -1 here. -1's right there. I full ported and passed my evals. Thanks. I'm glad you passed. Oh, nice, bro. You had it at the low? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You don't need to work on that precision. Like, that's something you can always implement later, Chooch. You know? How do I trade OTE? Just wait for retracement to OTE. Are you gonna trade? No, I didn't get filled, guys. I didn't get filled. I missed my fill. But I put my limit here. This candle came down. Quite didn't put us into the trade. How do I draw OTE? You draw the retracement down. So from high to low, because you want a retracement from high to low. So this would be your OTE entry, for example. I'm dying of FOMO. Happens, bro. Happens, yeah. That's fine. We called it out nicely, bro. We called it out nicely. Someone in chat said, can you review the trade idea? Okay, so basically, we had the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We were waiting for that to get traded back into, and you can see we traded back into it here. Very simple idea. We put in the SMT, looking for an inversion fair value gap. So for me, the 3-minute inversion was the best, the cleanest one. Just a clean inversion there. The final target was London high, so that blue line that I had marked out was London highs right there. And you can pick it off at a 2-risk reward if you want to be very keen. My personal entry that I was looking for was off of this 1-minute fair value gap. Unfortunately, we did not get the fill on the 1-minute fair value gap. So if you put your stop here, covering this inversion and this candle, your full trade would have been 3.7 risk to reward. Like I said, we didn't get the fill on the live stream, but we tried to get the fill. We managed to call it out pretty nicely. It's also a 10 a.m. power of 3 idea, coming below 10 a.m. right here, coming down and then expanding higher. So it is what it is. On to the next day. It hasn't hit yet. 100% hasn't hit yet. But if you're not taking something off here, like, don't let this trade break even, bro. You know, don't let this trade break even. Like, there's just no way this trade should be a break even. You should probably have exited the majority of your position here. 2R, take something off maybe. Like however you want to manage. Or everyone manages their trade differently. Do I think it's gonna hit it? Yeah, but OTE is optimal trade entry. Why not Asia high? I wouldn't look for that long. It's already 3.7R. Will you enter on the retrace? Nah. You still trade trades even outside the macro. Yes, but it has to align with the power of 3. So this one would have been valid for me because the 10 a.m. power of 3. Being a little greedy at 3-minute entry. If it doesn't take it, you could, bro, honestly, in my opinion. But in my opinion, we also just take it right now, if I had to guess. Okay, do you guys want to shoot a video with me? Let's shoot a video together, guys. Let's shoot a video together. All right, so as we're watching this trade idea hit full TP, unfortunately, we did not get the fill on this trade. My entry was right about there. We kind of missed it. In hindsight, you could have taken the order block right there where you would have gotten a fill, but I did not see that at the time. I was looking for the fair value gap entry. Basically, the trade idea was this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We came down into it, putting in an SMT divergence, and then we got that expansion higher, targeting above 10 a.m. open. So this is where I would have targeted as a low-hanging fruit objective. And then you can also break even at that level. Final objective is this blue line, which is London highs. So I would have aimed for that specific level. In this trade idea, would have been a 3.7R, but we didn't get the fill. So on to the next day. All right, was that W, guys? What do you guys think? Was that W? Was that W? W, 1W, ass, W, 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 W. I gotta send it to my editor now, bro. I got a fucking editor, guys. Locked in and shit. W, everyone said W. Wait, should I put the W's in the chat? Should I do it again? Do one of those guys who put all the W's in chat? Oh, Rug, I'm the editor? Oh, Rug, you're the editor? Say word. Alright, so that was W? No, I didn't get the fill, man. I didn't get the fill, man. We were waiting for this since 9:57, bro. I called this move lower and then the long. You know what? I could probably go back into the live stream and clip it where I said, I literally want to see this, and then I'll look for the long right about here. TP hit? Yeah, you would have got hit on TP there. So it is what it is. Okay, Rug, that was good. We have live on YouTube there. Oh, shit. We don't know. It's not going to be on... You're not going to see that. You're not going to see that. Bread and water bottle? What do I pay my editor? Bread and water bottle? Nah, less, actually. How long you been trading for? It's been over a year for me. Like 16 months. How long my W was a very small lot size. That's okay, bro. You have controlled your emotions. Zero FOMO whatsoever. Lettuce. That's fucking jokes. It did not touch the 4-hour yet. Did it not touch? No, it touched. Come on, guys. What do you know about the precision element of trading? Come on, perfect TP. Looking for shorts? Nah. I don't like to chase it like that. When I get such a good idea like this, man, if I look for a short now, I'm going to lose, bro. $814 trade in oil this morning. Crude oil? Futures? Nice. Yo, this actually looks like a pretty good setup. Well, I might like find a swing trade here. It's actually not bad. Yeah, it's unfortunate we didn't get the fill. No, I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled. I started learning from ICT on YouTube, and then I learned the rest of my stuff in backtest. There it is. Poked through the level completely, so. Going to the gym, then let's get it. Yeah, you good, bro. Today's my rest day actually, so I'm chilling. But yo, Rug, before you go, do you want me to put it in TikTok formatting, or do you want me to send you the full landscape video? Uh, yeah, it doesn't matter for me either. I guess I can just send. I'll try both. Okay. If it took you and it would even hit your red zone. I know, bro. This trade would have been zero drawdown, dead ass. Would have been a zero drawdown trade. Yeah, I was thinking about marketing. I mean, usually what I do is I do market order the inversion, in which case the trade would have been 1.9R, so then I wouldn't even look for to take it, to be honest. No, we didn't take the trade. Would I look for shorts now? No. You can't look for shorts. What I would look for is a CISD here, but I wouldn't take it. Trading for 4 hour, calling it for today. God bless, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care, Samuel. See you, brother. I don't like to chase it like that, guys. Like I feel like now that I missed it, I'd rather just walk. I risk the chance of making a mistake or making a decision based on emotion. Um, and I don't like that, you know? I don't want to make that mistake. I'd rather just walk away. We called it nicely. We can sit here and tape read it for a bit with you guys if you guys want to. If you guys are into that. But I mean, it would be a breaker CSD, but could also go sideways here. Take the same trade. I didn't get filled on this trade, unfortunately. I didn't get filled. Backed out the move. Is it Orlando Magic or Miami Heat tonight? Oh, you going for a money line? Yo, is Jimmy Butler playing? Let's do this, bro. I love talking about this shit. Like, hit me up whenever you want to talk about this shit, bro. I'm a fucking beast when it comes to this shit. What the fuck's going on? You had the vision, yeah. Well, bro, not only did we call this move out, like finally, I feel like just this is how I used to do shit, bro. I don't know if who here is an actual OG in the streams. We used to call out moves way beforehand, bro. Like we literally called it here at 9:50. I called it out at 9:50, saying I was expecting like the move to come here. I called out the SMT gonna form, and then we called out the inversion that I would look for, and I just weren't able to get in on the trade. But I mean that's okay. Just it feels good to be able to call it out that accurately. People saying you can't predict the markets. Yo, I have a crazy money line bet for today too, actually, bro. And I think I took Orlando, but let me check. One of my biggest confluences is when my trade idea aligns with yours. Thanks, bro. I might have to run the same confluence, bro. We have a lot of NBA games today, bro. My tail if I like what I see. I just have a money line one. I just have a money line one. I have Cleveland, Lakers. I think I took Orlando. Yeah, Orlando, Kings. I took New York. I took the Raptors. I took the Celtics. I took the Nuggets. I took the Wolves. I took Mavericks and the Bucks. And I also took Phoenix because they're home. So I kind of just went for it, I guess. But to be honest, I really think this is a pretty good chance of hitting, if I'm being straight honest with you guys. The only real iffy ones, the only real iffy ones are like, bro, the Magic. The Magic should beat the Heat, bro. Brownie for a triple double with a buzzer beater will set me up for life. That's funny. The only real iffy one, like the Knicks should beat the Grizzlies at home. The Raptors should beat the Pelicans at home. The only real iffy one, bro, Phoenix should beat the Clippers at home. Nah, the Celtics will beat the Rockets, I think. They're at home too. Opening gap will hit eventually. Bro, tell me why I bet on the Cavs. I know, bro. Why do I? But they're no way. They're not gonna lose to Detroit at home. No way. I don't know. It's 10 to make 700. And then if you want, there's like a bro. There's like a 50% boost here. You just slam like fucking KD 20 points with a boost for a triple single. Paolo for a triple single. Like you mean? What do you mean a triple single? What the fuck's a triple single, bro? Like 10 points? Yeah. Probably more, bro. Fucking Bam sucks, bro. Not doing shit against Paolo. I hate Bam, bro. Bam's a fucking thrower, bro. Can it go higher eventually? No, like 857. Oh, Tringle Sipple. No, I wouldn't fade him. I wouldn't fade him. Bro, he got 32 points last game, bro. His PR rate doesn't look bad, actually. What's his PR late line? Oh, it's 35. That's shit. What's his point line? 22.5? Against Miami? Yo, you could take his points, bro. Points and rebounds? Hold on, hold on. Let me put you guys on something. Let me put you guys on something. Look at this. Where's Miami Heat? Miami Heat allowed the third most rebounds to enemy. Wait, he's not. He's a power forward, isn't he? I mean, still power forward is up there. Wait, Miami Heat be locking up the bigs. This site is elite. Triple single. Why do so many people here be cooking up parlays, bro? Triple single, like they don't get double digits on any stats. Notice the CISD here actually. I mean, I'm not gonna trade it, but potentially delivering. If I did take the CISD, I would aim all the way down here. But why is there so many people here cooking up parlays, bro? That's fucking hilarious. Good, yeah, I don't like that candle. That's awful. How's the video doing? Is it catching up? No, bro, it's just going down even more. 12% is crazy work. Good thing we didn't go all in on our positions, and then we can, and we still have more if it does go lower. Yo, hear me out, guys. Ohio State to win the NCAA football championship already hit that line. Kansas City Chiefs for the Super Bowl. It's looking pretty good right now. Duke to win the NCAA men's basketball championship. I think it's also looking good. Then we got OKC, the Oilers, and the Dodgers. Plus 1 million. 1.1 million. Points and boards. If you want to take a points and boards line today, I would take. Bro, you could take the under on the Nets. You could take under on Sabonis. Like, I know it's so risky, but bro, there's no way it's not a blowout. Wait, he's hit this line 5 games consistently? His over-under set at 15? His PR raise at 41.5? He's hit that I would just do it, bro. I mean, it's gonna be a blowout probably, bro. How do you feel about trading before market opens? Yeah, you can do it if you want. Should I buy another event on full port that trade too? No, 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 bro. It's done. Yeah, I'm done for the day, brother. Which highs and lows? Look at your session highs and lows. Look at the one specifically in premium and discount. So, for example, like look at this range here. Sorry, look at this range here. Like, I mean, we don't really have a discount low here. So I guess it doesn't really work out. Yo, price really hit a discount and dropped, huh? That's crazy. It really hit a perfect discount there. I wouldn't full port news, no. This is a good short. It's not bad. You take the buy. I didn't get the fill, unfortunately. But it is the trade we called out like beforehand, so I just have it out here. Speaking of, let me just journal this for the group. I'll take you to the dark side. Let me get a quick screenshot here. Black bow, black bow, black bow, black everything black, all black, black everything diamonds black. What do you guys think? W screenshot. I'll leave it up for the people in Discord to figure out what level this is. If they're so curious, they can put in the work and figure it out themselves. But we did give out this level way before stream, bro. So that's cool. Oh wait, let me put the P&L tool here. So stop used to cover this fair value gap and this inversion. So your stop can go right there, which is why you can get just above 3.7R here. Would have been a really good trade. Perfect dinosaur model. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. I don't want to remove all my markings here because I have a bunch of other markings I want to keep. So let's just go one by one here. Move these markings. That was a good day today, guys. Can't complain, you know. It is what it is. We called out the move. Called out the move. Fortunately, we didn't get to participate, but it's what it is. Is what it is. Long term, I wouldn't. I'm not going to trade anymore. How many points do the market usually moving on a daily basis? Just look. Go to the daily chart and count. This one was 2. This one was 5 times normal. So just go back and look. What time frame I use them? I use pretty much all of them. Primarily, I use the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, 15-minute, and then 1 to 5 for the most part. But I really do look at them all. I can see it pretty quickly, so it's not bad. You can still look for long. It's possible. We do get Asia highs. You lock this? Mavericks, money line, Lakers. Oh, you took the Cavs? What is that, plus 300? But that has to be a lock, bro. It has to be. Who's going to throw this line? Tatum? No. Nah, no one's throwing this. No one's throwing that line, bro. Is Weeble good? Yeah, I heard Weeble's pretty good. They actually offered me a partnership, but I said no. Unlucky, no trades today. I mean, not unlucky. We followed rules. Today was a good day, guys. What broker do you use? I use prop firms and I use interactive brokers for stocks. For Forex, I use Awanda, but it's been a while. Do you always enter on M1? No. Sometimes M2, M3, M4, M5. Doesn't matter to me. Whichever one is most clear to me at the time. I don't have like a specific rule for that. It's kind of just whichever one's most clear. What's up, O? You good? I'm good, brother. No, not in any forex trades right now, but I will be looking probably later today for some swings. Why do you say out to the no to the Weeble? I don't even trade using live, so I don't even know what I would do. I don't even know how I use that shit. This- Yeah, one the spreads are crazy. I mean, I use funded by traders for forex, so funded by traders has really good spread, bro. Really good fucking spread. I wouldn't take any trades. I wouldn't take any trades, me personally. Would I suggest someone else do? I mean, I would also never do that. I wouldn't take it. No, I really wouldn't, man. I really wouldn't. I think that's it. I honestly think that there's a decent chance that this is your low and high a day, and everything else is just sauce in between. You know, we hit that intraday objective, but I think how many micro? It depends on where the stop loss is. If I took this trade, it would have been 2, but on other days it can be like 7. What do you think about this, bro? Marvin Firm's owner said he doesn't believe IDT works. What if I buy from them? That would be funny, bro. I wouldn't go with them though. I would just, man, I don't see why people wouldn't use funded by traders. You know, I honestly think they have like pretty much the best pricing. Looking for longs. No, I missed my fill. I already went for the long. It already hit final TP. It's a 4 hour idea, so we're done. That's it. Done for the day, boys. Done for the day. Just here answering any questions if anyone has any. Um, took something. Nah, we didn't get the fill, unfortunately, brother, but we did call it out pretty nicely. This was the trade idea we were looking for. Um, I just didn't get the fill here. But we called it out nicely, man. We called it out way beforehand. Like, when did we call out that happening? We pretty much, it was like before the 15 formed. Like here. And we were waiting for a retracement at, yeah, not, like 9:59. So we were waiting for a retracement, and it finally happened. We predicted the SMT. We took a trade on NAS. Yeah, it happens. Could have taken the order block in hindsight. Got to make sure I make a note of that. I just take the OB if it overlaps. What do you think about this, man? Yeah, it's funny, bro. Anyways, think we're probably done for today, guys. To go long right now? No. I don't know what you'd be longing off of. It looks pretty bearish now. If anything, I'd look for a short if I had to be honest. We hit a premium. I wouldn't look to target more premium. We already hit the premium array, 4 hour fair value gap. We have an SMT there as well. Probably going to go lower for the sell side. I would look for these levels as an objective if I had to. Do I think it's going to get there smoothly? No, I don't think it's going to be nice price action anymore. But if I was in a short, this is where I would keep my attention to. It's equal lows. That's just me. Anyways, I'm going to head out, boys. I appreciate everyone coming through today. I'll see you guys live exact same time tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Take care, bro. Take care, family. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Appreciate everyone coming through. Take care, Chooch. How do you determine your bias? Come tomorrow and I'll tell you, bro. Come tomorrow and I'll tell you.